Hello and welcome. In this lecture, we are going to generate random multiplication numbers. So like we did before, I'm just going to come up here in the randomizer object. We created a randomizer object here. So inside here, I'm going to create the random multiplication numbers. Just going to create some space and just put the code in there. So I've created two variables, integer variables, called it multiply num1, multiply num2. These will be variables to store the multiplication numbers. Next thing I need to do is come down to the start quiz and implement the controls here. Alright, so I've added some code here from line 47 to 53. So on line 47, we've got the multiply variable, num1. This is the other variable, and I've set it to equals to the randomizer object dot the next method. And the next method I passed in two values, 2 and 11, and the multiply num2, the second variable, again set it to equals to the randomizer object dot the next method, and I passed it two values, 1 and 11. Actually, I'm going to change this and make it 2 as well. Alright, so I just set them, so I passed it two values there. And on the controls here, the left label control, I've set that to equals to the multiply, to that variable here, and we're using the toString converter to convert it, the value to string. All right, we're doing the same here, so that anything that's input into that will convert it to string using the toString method. So any two randomly generated numbers for the multiplication will be converted into string so that they can be displayed in the label controls. So that's what the toString does. And this product of value is the numeric up down control. By default will set the value to 0. It's important to set that numeric up down control to 0 at the initial before the actual quiz starts, so that it doesn't give any false values. So we've got some yellow strips here, which means our code has not been saved. I'm just going to save that, and if I run the code now, we should generate random multiplication numbers. When code is run, the code will execute from top to bottom. So I expect it to generate random addition numbers, random subtraction, and then random multiplication numbers. So let's give that a go. I'll click on start. So this is our quiz. So if I click start, we should get, there you go. So we go random addition, random subtraction, and then random multiplication. In our next lecture, we're going to generate random division problems. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.